Alright guys, what's going on? So I decided, I got this 2017 Specialized Enduro Comp, and I decided to buy race face crank boot covers. I was told that I needed the small one. I have the race face, effect cranks, and I believe they're the 170s. And so, a little bit about these. They feel like they're plastic. They're really thin plastic. They almost feel like paper. So anyway, I threw them on here, and as you can see, they don't line up with a hole. I heard of many other people having this problem. I was told don't get the large, get the small. So I'm not going to buy the large ones because I believe I can still thread this on there. If we think about it, that should work. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to slip my washer in behind this boot cover, just like that, so it's still usable, and then I'll install my pedal. Now remember, the pedal screws on this way because you pedal not this way, the opposite of this direction. If I had a bike stand, I could spin it, but I don't. So anyway, I'm going to screw this, rotate it towards the front. Now I bought these boot covers because they give me some little protection here, but really feeling it, it's just going to protect it maybe from some light scratches. If I actually hit something with it, I don't know, it might. If you catch a sharp enough rock though, you know, nothing's going to protect it. And I have this Invisiframe on my bike, and you know, you can barely see it. You can see the outline of it right there, but I mean, it protects it from light scratches and scuffs, but I don't know that it'll protect it from everything. Obviously you can't, but so anyway, I'm going to tighten that up, and it seems to be rotating just fine. Obviously because it's rotating off the spindle, not this mount. But once we get this tightened up here to the manufacturer's recommendations, it looks like it'll work. So anyway, these are the race face effects. I believe they're 170. Let me take a peek. Yep, 170. They came stock with the 2017 Specialized Enduro Comp 29650B. It's a 29er, and you can plus size the 27.5s on them. And these are the race face crank boot covers, 2-pack. There's your part number. And if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a holler. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.